A good barbecue rub isn't just for grilling outside. And this GPS barbecue rub from Casks-n-Que has the perfect blend of seasoning for almost anything you cook. Think about it, you always cook with salt and pepper, and how many times also onion and garlic, maybe even paprika and more. Well, most barbecue rubs have that barbecue rub taste. You know what I mean. But this one from Casks-n-Que, I would actually describe as delicious. It literally makes me want to eat it right off my fingers. It's just different. It's better than any of the others. I'm telling you, to me, it's not a barbecue rub. I cook inside. It's my bottle of seasoning. So I've got the link below, along with the Casks-n-Que YouTube channel, so you can watch the Grill Master in action. Now wait till you see me use it in the Avocado Ranch for the perfect seasoning.
You can adjust the consistency of the avocado ranch to make it a dip, dressing, or sandwich spread. And I've got the link at the end for this protein-packed grilled corn and chicken avocado salad topped with homemade candied pecans. For the dip and dressing, only 4 easy ingredients: 1/2 of a soft ripe avocado, 1/2 cup of prepared ranch dressing, 1/8 teaspoon of lime juice, and 1 teaspoon of Casks-n-Que GPS barbecue rub. This is what's going to make yours taste better than any other avocado ranch dressing you've ever had, because it brings out the flavors of the avocado and adds special seasonings.
It's got the garlic, pepper, and salt, but also onion and paprika and other seasonings that you want in this dressing. If you don't use this, you're going to have to use your salt, your pepper, onion powder, onion salt, garlic, paprika, cayenne pepper, but you could do it. But why?
And there you go, just blend those 4 ingredients together. And this is the consistency that some soup and salad restaurants serve. For a dip, sprinkle with a pinch more of the seasoning and refrigerate to thicken. If you want to store it for the next few days, you can thin it down with 1 tablespoon of milk. Whatever consistency you like, this avocado ranch with lime and barbecue rub is incredible. Please give me a thumbs up.
And you gotta make this.
And to see all of my videos, don't forget to click subscribe.